Hi, if you want your child to be very successful in life, here in this video, I'm just going to share with you one resource. Only that one resource can help your child in becoming very successful in life. As we all know, that children are like flowers. If you have the right soil, if you have sunlight available, and if you water them, flowers grow really well. Exactly the same thing happens with children. If children have the right resources available, they can perform outstandingly in their practical life. As you all know that I'm a teacher, my name is Imran Ahmed and I have been teaching for 18 years, and in my 18 years of experience what I have learned is that sometimes children perform extremely well in their exams. For example, in maths, English and science they get really good grades, but when it comes to the practical life skills they sometimes cannot perform very well. So it is very important for children to learn few skills. Those skills can help them in their practical life. So the resource which I'm going to share with you here, that resource will help them in building their confidence. Confidence is one of the very important skill which children require when it comes to the practical life. I have seen children graduating from the university but they lack confidence. Why? Because they were never taught about that. Similarly, sometimes children they lack team building skills. Okay, team building is also very important. So all of these things I'm just going to share with you the resource. All these things will come in that resource. For example, the team building is one of the very important skill which a child should learn. Second thing is brainstorming. Some children don't, they just become lazy. They don't want to brainstorm. The brainstorming habit should be developed right from the very young age. Motivation. Sometimes the children are very intelligent but they are not motivated enough to accomplish certain tasks. So motivation, social skills, that is also very important. So here in this video, the resource which I will share with you, that resource can help your child in becoming very confident. Also, your child can stop procrastinating, stop becoming lazy. Your child can become very successful. And team building is, please remember, team building is one of the very important skill which every child should learn right from the young age, because team building is the thing which can help your child in getting very high up in the ladder on the ladder when it comes to their career success. Social skills, obviously social skills are important. Motivation is one of the very important thing. Without motivation, no one can achieve their task. I've seen some of my ex-students who even graduated from the university but they are not motivated enough to get a proper job, or or to get into the graduate scheme. So here the resource which I'm going to share with you, that resource is very important, and interestingly at the moment it's free as well. So it is a magazine, and that magazine is called The Week. I'm just showing you here The Week magazine. This magazine, what I will highly recommend, all of my students, they should definitely subscribe to it. It's free. For 6 weeks, it's free. After that, if you don't like it, you can cancel it. But at the moment, they have the offer that you can get 6 free copies. Every week you will get this one. Why I'm saying this magazine? Because this magazine covers almost all the topics, all the big news, all the big things which are happening in the world with regards to technology, with regards to finance. And these things children need to learn from a young age. What happens, sometimes children, they don't want to learn, or they are not taught to learn like about technology or finance or social media or motivation. All these topics you will find in this magazine, because sometimes for example, this magazine, when I was reading it, I get it every week, and I've been getting it for the last, I think, 12 years now, and I have recommended this magazine to all of my students. And the interesting fact is, all my students who have subscribed to it, they have actually, and the one who have actually read it as well, they are doing extremely well. They are not doctors, they are engineers, they are solicitors, they are pilots, they are some of them are even chartered accountants as well. So this magazine, why? Why not? It's free to subscribe at the moment. You can get 6 copies for free, and even if you want to continue this one later on, it's not going to cost you hardly more than £2 or £3 a week. Maybe less than £2 a week. I don't really count it, because it's so cheap that I don't really care about the price. But the amount of information which I get from this magazine, that is very beneficial for me. For example, you can learn new articles about COVID-19 there. You can learn the stories about the other successful people. You can learn things about stock market. You can learn things about financial institutions, financial markets. So what you can do is you can subscribe to it, and you can ask your child, if your child is really young, you can ask him to just read like 2 or 3 stories from this magazine every week. I'm not saying to read all of this magazine, just 2, 3, 4 stories of their own choice. They can read it from there. Trust me, this magazine will help them in learning so many skills. For example, learning about the political system in the world, politics in UK, in USA, in rest of the world, about the social media, about the finance, about the stock markets, about the green energy, about the electric cars, about the technology. You will find everything there. So please subscribe to it. This is my very sincere advice to you. It will help your child in becoming very successful. And if you don't like it after 6 weeks, you can cancel it. But please check on Google, because at the moment they have their offer going on. But maybe, obviously it's a third-party magazine. It's not my magazine. So I can't guarantee that there will be this offer available all the time. But definitely, I will highly recommend you to subscribe to this magazine and ask your children to read it at least 2 to 3 stories every week. And the best thing is if they can read it, and then they can do the summary of those 3 stories for you, and then you can read them. What will happen? Children will learn new words. Children will learn, their vocabulary will increase. They will learn new things about the system in the world. So I trust, this magazine can help your child in building the confidence. It will help them in how they can become very successful in life, and they will stay motivated as well. And because I have seen it happening, that's why I'm recommending you. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, thank you. Bye.